What's up everybody, welcome to my channel where we don't do and think like the average person out there. So in this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can buy NFTs. NFT stands for non-fungible token. So if you want a comprehensive understanding on what NFTs are, you can definitely check out my video on what are NFTs. The link will be in the description below. So we're going to be buying NFTs on the Opensea.io platform. And in order to do that, we're going to need some Ethereum and we're also going to need a MetaMask wallet. So the first thing we're going to do is buy some Ethereum on cex.io. If you want to see a step-by-step tutorial on how you can do this, you can check out my video on how to buy crypto from the Caribbean. I'll leave the link in the description below to that video as well. So let's head over to cex.io and buy some Ethereum. So I'm going to be depositing $60. My payment method will be via Visa card. And if a Visa card doesn't work out for you, you can always use wire transfer to fund your cex.io account. So now I'm going to go to my wallet and convert the money which I recently deposited to some Ethereum. Now I'm just going to go on the fiat option. Convert. $60 and select the currency that you want to convert to. So this is the amount of Ethereum I'll be getting. Confirm the exchange. If we go back to cryptocurrencies, this is my total amount of Ethereum that I'm currently holding now. Total value of $73. So the next step is to go over to Opensea.io and set up our MetaMask wallet. So this is the Opensea platform. I'll be leaving the link in the description below as well. So when you're on Opensea.io, you want to select create, select MetaMask. This is your wallet that will be holding the Ethereum currency, and then install for Edge. Select get and add extension. So I'm going to go back to Opensea now and hit refresh. So now Opensea is picking up our wallet, so let's select get started. So if you had an existing wallet, you could import the wallet, but we're going to be creating one here. Create wallet, I agree, and make sure you write down your password. Proceed to create your wallet. So you can watch this video to get an understanding of what your secret recovery key is. So make sure the secret key here, you keep it safe and you don't share it with anyone at all. You don't want anyone to hack in your MetaMask wallet. So here it's going to ask you to select the password phrase in the order which you saw it in the previous screen. So once you have successfully verified your recovery phrase, select all done to continue. So the next step is to send the Ethereum that we just purchased to this wallet address here. So it's important that you close your browser so Opensea can pick up your MetaMask. So let's go back to Opensea.io, select MetaMask. So your MetaMask will be acting as your username and password to Opensea. Select next and select connect. Now you have successfully connected your MetaMask to Opensea. Now you can purchase almost any NFT that you want on the Opensea.io platform. So let's explore some NFTs. So these are pretty much a bunch of NFT arts that are selling. You can sort them by low to high to low, highest last sale. Pretty much any option that you want here. So let's select recently created and see what's up there. So the next step would pretty much be to send the Ethereum to your MetaMask wallet. So let's go back to MetaMask, One thing you need to know when you're in the crypto space, you're going to experience a lot of fees. So you select this address here and copy, and then go back to cex.io. Sign in. Now we're going to go back to our wallet. Then we're going to select Ethereum, select the options button, select send, specify the amount that you want to send, select address, add new address, select add new address, paste the address here, enter a label, let's say MetaMask wallet. So at this point, unfortunately, I'm going to have to stop recording for a while because I'm recording with my phone and I have to use my Google Authenticator to get the password for this section of the video. Alright, so let me just walk you through the rest of it. So once you enter your code, it will send the Ethereum to your MetaMask wallet, and once you come back to your Opensea wallet, then you can, the Ethereum will be there in your wallet address and you can buy now. Then you can select the crypto that you want. Let's say we want this, and then you can make an offer. There are some that you have the option to buy now. So that's pretty much it on how you'd buy an NFT using Opensea.io. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.